Tuesday, February 2nd, 2010. The markets jump on triple digits yet again due to nice housing market information. Look at this. Dow up 111 points, the S&P up 14, which puts us at 1.3% to the upside. NASDAQ, Russell's not so good, down a little more than that, but a nice drop, 5% drop on the volatility index, putting us down at 21. Here we are, the S&P daily. And I said we would find resistance around 1090, 1095, and definitely 1100. And check this out. We're at 1103, 1104 was our high, almost 1105. Very strong on a little lackluster volume, but nonetheless, here we are. We're up here at these levels. You can see these wicks coming across right there at the same area. So this is a pretty good little resistance area is where we're at this moment. And look at all this consolidation back here. Definitely stuff it's going to have to climb through if it's going to do it. Let's see what the MACD is showing us. A big, heavy, positive tick on the histogram. A decisive crossover yesterday, taking us up further. So nothing surprising here. It's just what we were thinking would happen yesterday, and actually a little more bullish than what I actually expected. So that is very nice to see if you're in fact a bull. Let's look at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ made a higher high, higher low, but what's very interesting here is we did go over the 100-day moving average, which is nice. We do have 2200 coming up as very, very significant resistance. So that will be interesting to see if we will hold that. If the market's going to be bearish, what will happen is it'll come up, do a touch, and drop from 2200 to there in that area, and then drop. If I see a red candle tomorrow, that would be Wednesday, that would shake things up. I want to make sure I'm big time hedged. I'm hedged here, but net to the bull side, but I got really tight stop losses on my positions, because if the markets do want to head south yet again, I need to be protected in that environment. I wish I had more bullish volume come in today. We didn't get it. It's just very average to say the least, but in the big picture, gang, we're in a lot of trouble, below most of the major moving averages on the Dow, and the same goes here on the S&P. Let me get back here. The S&P, we're below the 20-day, the 50-day moving average. We're fighting some of my EMAs. So there it is. The markets, they can do whatever they want to. They can throw you curveballs, they can throw you softballs, they can do whatever it wants to. For you as a developing trader, I would just want to say keep your chin up and go after those markets like you know you can. And do it, but make sure you do it taking baby steps. What you don't want to do is take off too big of a bite when you do it. The last thing you want to do is get discouraged because you got smacked down too hard and too fast. What I encourage you to do is take your baby steps, go into the market slowly, and when you get in there, learn what works and learn what doesn't, and educate yourself. You want to be at the top of your field when it comes to trading and trading education. All I'm saying to you is don't be overly aggressive. Take your time and make trading work. So tonight I want to give you a personal invitation, something that you can come and participate in. It's a webinar that we have coming on, and it is our time where both Matador and myself, we come out from behind the veil, our aliases, and introduce ourselves with our real names and who we are and where we reside. And it's our chance to talk to you about mentoring, to find out if that's for you. We want to take our students in under our wings, and we want to show them the tips and tricks to trading. We've been doing this for several years. We're in the top of our field in trading education. And with that said, we hope that you'll be a part and join us. It's free, and it's part just where you can learn more to find out if this is for you or not. To do that, simply go to freetradingvideos.com and click on Services. When you click on Services, there'll be a form that you can fill out. put in your name and email, shoot us that email address. That comes to us directly. When I say that, that means when you submit something, it only goes to me and Matador and me. So you're going to be invited. What we'll do is send you a invitation. We'll send it to Mike, and Mike will actually be the one to send you that invitation. It's at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time tonight, or 5:30 Pacific. I'm looking forward to seeing you.